Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make your Pico VR headset more comfortable. And to do this, you'll need to adjust the tightens on this device. So the first one is this on top of the head, and I would strongly recommend doing that with other person and put it on your head, then peel that off and adjust it to the height of your head, then drag it down like this. Next one is right here, and you can scale the tighten from the sides of your head with this, and that's basically how you can make your device comfortable. You can also change the gap between the lenses right here, but that's inside of the settings, and I already shown you how to do that inside this headset. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.